In a big city lived a man named Commissioner Gordon. He was not an ordinary man, but a superhero's trusted friend. He worked hard to keep the city safe and peaceful, day and night. One night, Commissioner Gordon was sitting in his office, looking out the window at the twinkling city lights. Suddenly, he noticed a little boy standing alone on the street. The boy looked scared, and he was all by himself. Commissioner Gordon felt a pang in his heart. He decided to invite the boy into his office. "Hello there, little friend," Commissioner Gordon said with a warm smile. "What's your name?" The boy looked up at Commissioner Gordon with wide eyes. "I'm Timmy," he said shyly. Commissioner Gordon offered Timmy a seat and asked, "What's wrong, Timmy? Why are you out here all alone?" Timmy told Commissioner Gordon a sad story about losing his way home. Commissioner Gordon listened carefully, nodding thoughtfully. "Don't worry, Timmy," Commissioner Gordon said, putting a comforting hand on Timmy's shoulder. "I'll help you find your home." With that, Commissioner Gordon grabbed his phone and called for a police car to take Timmy home. While they waited, he shared stories about his adventures with superheroes. Timmy's eyes grew wide with excitement as Commissioner Gordon told him tales of Batman, Superman, and Wonder Woman. He laughed and smiled, forgetting his fear. Finally, the police car arrived, and Timmy's family was overjoyed to see him. Commissioner Gordon waved goodbye, watching as Timmy ran into his home with a big smile on his face. As Commissioner Gordon returned to his office, he felt a sense of satisfaction. He had helped a little boy find his way home, just as he had helped many others in his city. That night, Commissioner Gordon went home feeling happier than ever. He realized that being a hero wasn't always about fighting bad guys, but also about helping those in need. And he knew that every day, he would continue to do just that.